Hey everybody, Greater Good Mining here. The markets are pumping. Bitcoin is $109,514. That's not all. Everything else seems to be pumping as well. This is exciting, but now is not the time to rest on your laurels. You've worked hard to accumulate these coins through the bear market. You've held through all kinds of ups and downs. Now is the time where these coins become more valuable. You do not want to lose these things. If everything plays out the way that we all are hoping it should, then our coins will hopefully grow exponentially in value. You do not want to lose these coins. You need to get them off exchanges. Just recently, Zegax shut down. I was mining with my DG Home 1 to Zegax, and I had some coins going straight to my Tangem wallet, my Dogecoin and my Litecoin. I had the other coins mining to Zegax. Guess which coins I lost? The ones that never got lost, the ones that I still hold and still own right now, are the ones that I mined to my Tangem wallet, my Dogecoin and my Litecoin. This is just one example of how you can lose coins if you don't do things the right way. And the right way is to store your coins on a cold storage wallet. And you guys know my favorite cold storage wallet is the Tangem wallet. You can get a discount on Tangem by using my discount code GreaterGood at checkout right here, 10% off, or you can use the link in the description. It'll take you to the Tangem website automatically, the official site, and it will automatically apply my discount code. The other cool thing is, if you're watching this and it's July 7th, which is, I'm trying to post this by July 7th because they have an amazing deal on the Stars and Stripes version, you can get 23% off total if you use my discount code GreaterGood on the Stars and Stripe version. So it's down to $53.91 for a 3-card Stars and Stripes set before July 7th, 2025. After that, you'll still get a great discount of 10% off anytime, 24/7, 365 days a year, and sometimes an even bigger discount. So try it out, see what kind of discount you can get by using my discount code GreaterGood. So let's take a look at some other things besides messing up and losing your bags. Let's talk about the positives of what's going on with Tangem. We've got the ability to buy crypto and Kaspa, especially within the Tangem app. I reposted this on X. You can now use your dirty fiat to buy sweet Kaspa directly in your Tangem wallet. Tangem is always upping their game. Love to see it. Let's take a look at this. You can now buy Kas with USD and euros and more directly in the Tangem app, which is amazing. If you've been into Kaspa for a while, you know there's been issues with exchanges from the beginning, like Trade Ogre. Some of my first purchases of Kaspa were on Trade Ogre because it was so long ago. It was like 2022. So basically now you can securely within the app buy Kaspa with your fiat using Simplex. And if you make sure you update your Tangem app every once in a while, because they're always updating things. So it says Tangem's integration with Simplex makes it fast, easy, and secure to get Kaspa right inside the app. Use Visa, MasterCard, SCPA, Apple Pay, or Google Pay, and your Kaspa is deposited in your wallet. No extra steps. Open Tangem Express and try it now. Okay, let's give this a shot. Hit buy, tap on Kaspa, confirm your residency. I tried $20 at first. It didn't work, so I ended up having to up it to $50. Then I hit the buy button, and then it took me to an option where I can hit pay with card, Simplex. I went ahead and clicked pay with card, click buy. It'll redirect you to Simplex. Then you can choose Google Pay, in my case, or buy with card. Sorry to interrupt your video, but a quick word from the sponsor of the video, CryptoMiner Bros. CryptoMiner Bros has the best brands and the newest miners that you can get on the market today. Check out the AlphaPax DG Home 1 that I mentioned earlier in this video. They have it shipped to your door for $1,289. That is a great deal. They also have the AlphaPax DG2 Plus, the new, most efficient Dogecoin miner, script miner, 20.5 gigahash per second. That is a great deal for an awesome new script miner from AlphaPax. They also have a section called offers where you can get deals on the Canon Avalon Q right now. It's $15.49 from CryptoMiner Bros. You can also use my discount code to get a great deal on a lot of these new miners. So use discount code GREATER for $70 off every miner in your order. And don't forget the prices are shipped to your door. Check them out. Thanks again, CryptoMiner Bros, for sponsoring this video. I tried both Google Pay and my credit card, and unfortunately, because I'm in the United States, it would not let me purchase the Kaspa through their quick feature in the app, but that doesn't mean it won't work for you. It just depends on what country and what regulations you currently have. So give this a shot if you want to directly in the Tangem app. I'm assuming that this exchange is limited in the United States at this moment, but it looks like it says that we are constantly working to expand our coverage. So please try again later. So if you are unsuccessful in the United States, maybe we can try again down the line. Let me know if you guys have had any success with this in other countries. I wanted to give this a shot and see how it worked, but now at least you know how to do it if we do have the opportunity in the US to try it in the future. Next, I wanted to remind you guys to update your Tangem wallets. And I might have already said this once in the video, but I'm going to say it again because it's very important, because Tangem just had a 5.25 release. They have a major update. They have now NFT support. You can activate NFT right inside the app, fully live across EVM and Solana networks. So they're planning, it looks like in the future, to add a ton of other chains. So check out this video. I will leave a link to this X post from Tangem in the description of the video as well, just in case you want to watch this video. It's about 1.5 minutes long from Anna from the Tangem team. I have an interview with Anna. I will show on the screen. If you're interested in learning a little bit more about different things like this, check out my interview that I did with her when I was at the Bitcoin conference in Las Vegas. I'll show it on the screen. I'll leave that link in the description as well. But for now, there's tons of updates. Make sure you're very careful when you update your Tangem app. Use the update feature within the app, or go to your Google Play Store or Apple Store. Do not get scammed. There are scammers out there. They will email you knowing that there's an update coming out like this and pretend like something didn't work and they need to support you somehow. Just ignore those emails. They're not going to email you. Tangem's not going to email you and say, hey, this went wrong, we're going to help you fix it. They're just not going to do it. So make sure if you update your app, do it within the app, or go to the official Google Play Store or Apple Store. So it's very exciting. You can stake within your Tangem app. If you didn't know that already, you can stake certain chains. I was staking Solana for a very long time. I still am staking Solana in one of my Tangem cards. So there's tons of features. I encourage you also to check out their roadmap. They have a roadmap that lays everything out for you, what they plan to do. They also pay attention when you ask for features. So when you ask for things in Discord and ask for things on X, they pay attention, they take note, they keep records of this stuff. And all that is revealed in my interview that I did with Tangem. So please check that interview out. It is with Anna, the girl you see on the screen right now. She's great. She's extremely knowledgeable about Tangem. You guys, I really appreciate you watching the video till the end. If you made it this far, put hashtag Tangem and something you like about crypto or the new features that you saw today in the Tangem wallet, and I will pick a winner of this 3-card stealth Tangem wallet. Brand new 3-card stealth Tangem wallet. Put hashtag Tangem and a nice comment about crypto in the description, and I will pick a winner about a week from now. And don't forget, you can use discount code GreaterGood for 10% off your order if you want to order one, or click on the link in the description. It will automatically apply that discount. Do not forget that tomorrow, July 7th, actually, I'll be posting the video on July 7th. This is the last day that you can get 23% off the Stars and Stripes edition of the Tangem wallet. I love this. It's really cool and it's a great deal. So don't pass that deal up if you're looking to get a wallet. Good luck with the giveaway, and I really appreciate you watching. Hit the like button on the way out. Subscribe to the channel if you like this kind of content. I always do updates for Tangem. I really like their Tangem cards. They are my favorite crypto wallet. Last but not least, don't forget to keep it decentralized for the greater good. The greater good.